guys, now welcome again. Now we are on the part 2 of our filing of income tax return under section 44AD. Okay, in my previous video I explained you that how you have to log in and how you have to select your income tax return for filing and submitting it online. Now in today's video or in this current video I will be telling you that how you have to fill up all the details related to your business. Okay, now in previous video even I showed you that this is the tally backup for which I have a balance sheet as well as profit and loss account. Okay, so everything has been filled up. Okay, so even the profit has been transferred over here. So this is my final balance sheet and I have to fill the details of this particular balance sheet. Okay, now let's go to profit and loss again. Okay, profit and loss account. I'm getting a detailed view. Come to your income tax website. Now name of the business you have to mention. This is related to the service industry. Okay, now business code you have to select. If you are into the service industry you have to select the business code also. Okay, now they are into the coaching centers and tuitions, or you can say other education services also. Okay, fine. Now next you have to mention your gross turnover or gross receipt. Okay, if you are getting anything through account pay check or account pay bank draft or bank electronic clearing system, okay, the one which we saw that if you are getting any digital receipts then you have to mention over here. And any other mode, if you are having cash receipt as well as your bank receipts, you have to enter it over here. Okay, from this tally backup I'm having the receipts by cash also and digitally also. Okay, by bank also. So by cash and by bank I'm having a mixture. So this 19,87,313 is nothing, but I have to mention it under other mode. Okay, yes, so I will fill up the details over here. 19 lakhs 87,313.32. Okay, now point is not been accepted, so you have to round it off to the nearest zero. Okay, now 6% I have to file if I am getting everything as digitally, and 8% I have to file if I am having any other mode. So as I mentioned my gross receipt under any other mode, so I will be taking as 8% only. Okay, so it is not compulsory that you should have 8% only. You can file it by more 8% also. Okay, now here I am having an income of or profit of 6,89,000. Okay, just we will calculate that what is the percentage. 689 to 79.57. Okay, divided by the gross receipt 1987,313. So my percentage is coming as 34%. So the limit is 8%, but I can file it by more than 8% also. So it is 34%. Alright, so it is totally alright to file this income tax return.